If you would stop moving, it'd be a whole lot easier. Oh. No, don't touch.
Say more.
Are you starting to get the hang of this? You stop attacking my spoon? She's literally like, just a little bit left. She's like going after it. You have to get a picture after we're done here. How much stuff she has everywhere. I'm just getting the hang of it. Whoops. Oh. Say our second attempt was a success. Good job.
More?
I'll go get her a bottle. You want to take a picture?